In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a ribbon tab in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just want to personalize your interface, creating a custom ribbon tab can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and make your Word experience more tailored to your needs. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you have it open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll find the File tab there. Go ahead and click it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, locate and select Options. It might be near the bottom of the list, so don't worry if it takes a second to find. Clicking Options will bring up a new window with various settings you can adjust for Microsoft Word. In the Options window, look to the list on the left side. You should see an option that says Customize Ribbon. Click on it. This area allows you to modify the ribbon, which is the toolbar at the top of your Word document that contains all the commands and tools you frequently use. Now that you're in the Customize Ribbon section, you'll see two main columns. On the right side, you have the list of tabs currently visible on your ribbon, like Home, Insert, and so on. On the left side, you'll find all the commands available in Word that you can add to your ribbon. Next, let's create a new tab. In the section on the right, there's a button labeled New Tab. Click on this button to create a fresh tab in your ribbon. You'll notice that a new entry, typically called New Tab, Custom, appears in the list. This is your new tab, and you can now customize it to your liking. Now, select your new tab in the list to highlight it. With it selected, click the Rename button. A small dialog box will pop up, allowing you to type in a new name for the tab. This could be anything you like, such as My Tools or Quick Access. Once you've entered the name you want, click OK to save it. With your tab in place, it's time to start adding tools to it. Turn your attention to the commands listed in the left column. These are grouped into categories to make it easier to find what you're looking for. Browse through these commands, and when you find one you'd like to add to your new tab, click on it to highlight it. Once you have a command selected, look for the Add button between the two columns. Click this button, and the selected command will move over to your custom tab on the right side. You can continue adding as many commands as you like, creating groups within your tab to organize them if needed. Just right-click on your new tab or group to explore more settings. After you've added all the tools you want, take a moment to review your new tab. Make sure everything is organized the way you like it. If you need to rearrange commands or groups, you can do so by selecting them and using the up and down arrow buttons on the right side of the window. Once you're satisfied with your custom ribbon tab, click the OK button at the bottom of the Options window. This will save all your changes and close the window. Now, when you return to your Word document, you'll see your new tab displayed on the ribbon, ready for you to use whenever you need those specific tools. Congratulations! You've successfully added a custom ribbon tab in Microsoft Word, enhancing your document editing experience by keeping your most used commands at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your Word tasks a bit more efficient and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or leave a comment.